Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to delete incognito history on Google Chrome. First of all, you can open the Google Chrome. I can already open. I can tell you the incognito mode doesn't save your browsing history. However, you can delete your browsing history. You can just simply go to the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen, and here you can just simply scroll down, tap on privacy and security, and after this you can see the option delete browsing data. Tap on it, and here you can just simply delete browsing data at very last, and it is the way you can delete browsing history on Google Chrome. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes our browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist you in the next one. Thanks for watching.